Okay, students, good morning. Very fine. So now continuation of period table. Last time I explained periodic properties. Different types of periodic properties given list. So atomic radius types. Atomic radius how many types? 3 types. Atomic radius 3 types. Atomic radius definition: the distance between the center of the nucleus and outermost orbit of an atom is known as atomic radius. Atomic radius 3 types. Crystal radius first, or metallic radius, second van der Waals radius, last one is covalent radius. Among these 3, which one is more harder? First van der Waals radius, second metallic radius or crystal radius, last one is covalent radius. Important point. Van der Waals radius 40% greater than the covalent radius. Van der Waals radius 40% greater than the covalent radius. Okay, these are types of radius completed. And last point, another point, last time not completed. As the number of covalent bond increases, as the number of bonds, covalent bonds, as the number of covalent bonds or bonds increases between atoms, between 2 atoms, bond distance, bond length decreases of 2 carbon atoms. Simple, I am explaining simply. Carbon-carbon single bond is there. Carbon-carbon single bond, carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon triple bond. Single bond means carbon-carbon single bond, that compounds are called carbon-carbon single bond, that compounds are called alkanes. Carbon-carbon double bond, alkenes. Carbon-carbon triple bond, alkynes. Generally, as the number of covalent bond increases between 2 carbon atoms, so bond length are nothing but a bond distance. Okay, or atomic rate distance decreases. For example, carbon-carbon single bond, double bond here 1.54 angstrom units. Okay, here 1.34 angstrom units, 1.20 angstrom units. Angstrom units converted to picometer means multiplied with 100, or simply 154 picometers, 134 picometers, 120 picometers, both are equal. As the number of covalent bond increases between 2 carbon atoms, so bond length, bond distance decreases. Carbon-carbon single bond undi, double bond undi, triple bond undi. Which one is more distance? Single bond. Ante as the number of covalent bond increases between 2 atoms, so bond distance decreases, atomic radius decreases. Okay, so write down point. As the number of covalent bonds increases, then decrease the bond length of 2 carbon atoms or 2 atoms. So example, so carbon-carbon single bond, carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon triple bond. Here 154 picometers or 1.54 angstrom units, 134 picometers or 1.34 angstrom units. So 120 picometers or 1.20 angstrom units. Among these 3, which one is more number of bonds? Alkynes. Number of bond increases means bond distance decreases. Okay, write down. We know. Now I am explaining atomic radius property. So atomic radius in a period means left to right, group means top to bottom. In a period, atomic radius left to right decreases. because increase the nuclear charge. Increase the nuclear charge. In a group top to bottom atomic radius increases because the electrons are entering into new orbits. New orbits are new shells, or the electrons are entering into new orbits. Number of cells increases. In a group top to bottom, because electrons are entering into different orbits. Number of cells increases, atomic radius also increases. So generally in a period, alkali metals having large atomic size, noble gas having halogens having less atomic size. So in a period left to right, from alkali metals to halogens decreases, but increases noble gases. Why noble gases? Because these are van der Waals forces. Van der Waals radius already explained. Van der Waals radius is larger. Van der Waals radius ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందని చెప్పుకున్నాను కదా. అంటే atomic radius left to right decreases because increase the nuclear charge. For example, in a period, first period I am taking, in a period left to right decreases. So alkali metals to halogens decreases. Alkali metals larger atomic size, halogens less atomic size. Up to halogens decreases, again increases with noble gases. Why noble gas? Because having monoatomic gas and van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces means already van der Waals radius is there. Van der Waals forces means van der Waals radius. Van der Waals radius is greater than remaining covalent radius. Okay? So these are. And another example I am taking group. After that I will give you points. First listen. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Francis will tell me. Lithium. Last configuration 1:2s1. These are 3s1, 4s1, 5s1, 6s1. In a group top to bottom atomic radius increases because number of shells increases, or the electrons are entering into new orbits, new shells. Here's one 2s1, 2s1, next to 3s1, 4s1, 5s1. That means electron shells increases. Okay now that point. So write down atomic radius in a period. So atomic radius in a period left to right decreases due to increase the nuclear charge. Increase the nuclear charge. In a period from alkali metals to halogens, atomic radius decreases. Again increases noble gases, because have noble gas having noble gas as van der Waals forces and monoatomic gases. So alkali metals having larger atomic size. Alkali metals having large atomic size and halogens having small atomic size. Write down that point also. Students, write down. Alkali metals having large atomic size. Halogens having small atomic size. So in a group top to bottom, atomic size increases because electrons enter into different orbits. So number of cells increases. In a group from top to bottom, in a group from top to bottom, in a group from top to bottom, atomic size or atomic radius increases. Atomic radius increases due to increase the number of cells, or the electron enter into new orbits, new cells. Orbital cells same equal. For example 1A group. What are 1A group elements? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. 1A group order lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium radioactive size. In a 1A group, atomic size order. Atomic size order. And halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Atomic size order. Top to bottom increases. Objective point of another one is in D block elements coming from 21. 21 is just like that. Suppose generally chromium to copper covalent radii generally same, almost same, because shielding effect next to there is a shielding effect or screening effect, ionization potential reactor screening effect. What do you mean by screening effect? Screening effect means generally the electron shells present between outermost shells and the nucleus. These shells act as a screens. These screens reduce the nuclear attraction on outermost electrons. That is known as screening effect. Manake nucleus untadi kada, outermost shells untayi. Aa shells emavuthundi screen ee nucleus ki screen act chestuntayi. These screens reduce the nuclear attraction between nucleus and electrons. ఈ స్క్రీన్ ఈ షెల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తాయి, ఎలక్ట్రాన్ యొక్క అట్రాక్షన్ ఏం చేస్తాయి, మధ్యలో ఉండి తగ్గించేస్తుంటాయి. దట్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ స్క్రీనింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈజ్ స్క్రీనింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్. ఇన్ అయనేషన్ ఎనర్జీ కాన్సెప్ట్ after that I will explain just only one basic point because object. Generally covalent radii copper chromium to copper almost zero because screening effect of core electrons. You know core electron, what I mean by core electron? The electrons present in outermost orbit of an atom is known as core electron. Generally core electron is nothing but valence electrons. So generally, copper to chromium covalent radii almost zero same generally because screening effect of core electrons. And another is compared to zinc and copper, covalent radii of zinc is greater than to copper. Covalent radii of zinc is greater than to copper because repulsions of d electrons of zinc and copper. అంటే covalent radii of zinc is greater than to copper because of repulsions of among the 3d electrons. 3d electron ఇక్కడ 3d ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 3d ఉంది. ఈ repulsions ఉండడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే so covalent radii of zinc is greater than to copper. Okay, so write down that point. First another point, covalent radii from chromium to copper due to shielding effect of core electrons. Second one is addition of shielding d electrons. Shielding effect of core electrons, addition of shielding d electrons. Another one is covalent radii of zinc greater than that of copper due to repulsions among d orbitals. Repulsions. Covalent radii of zinc is greater than to copper because due to repulsions among 3d electrons.
Zinc lo kuda 3d electrons untayi kada mari.
3d electrons untayi. But here actually on C. 3d 4s1 3d10. There which configuration? Copper. Okay. 4s2 3d10. D10 means more stable. But 4s1, 4s2, which one is completed? Total cells. 4s2 complete అయిపోయింది కదా. 4s2 complete అయింది covalent radius. అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది కాబట్టి repulsions కూడా ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంటాయి. అర్థమైందమ్మా? 4s2 s2 కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది కదా, ఇది ఇంకా కంప్లీట్ అవ్వలేదు. మోర్ covalent radius. Covalent radius means size. Next another important point we know, lanthanide contraction. You know lanthanide contraction? Lanthanide contraction means in lanthanide. What are lanthanides? Atomic number 58 to 71. In lanthanides, atomic number from left to right, atomic number increases. The size of the radius decreases due to poor shielding capacity of F electrons. Lanthanides F electron is there. Poor shielding capacity F electrons and high effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge more. We know nuclear charge more means atomic size decreases. And in lanthanides, general lanthanide means periods. Lanthanide belong to which period? 6th period. In lanthanides, atomic number increases, the size decreases. This phenomenon is known as lanthanide contraction. It is due to high effective nuclear charge. Nuclear charge left to right increase అవుతుంది. Poor shielding capacity of F electron. That is a lanthanide contraction. Here important point ante lanthanide contractions also observed in 4D and 5D transition series. 4D and 5D transition series. 4D transition series means second transition series. Transition means can be classified into 4 series. మీకు తెలుసు కదా, 3D series, 4D series, 5D series, 6D series. 3D series means scandium to zinc అంటే 21 to 30 మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం పీరియడ్ టేబుల్. ఇయర్ ఇట్రియం టు క్యాడ్మియం అంటే మీరు చెప్పాలంటే 21 to 30, 39 to 48. 5D ఆఫ్నియం టు మెర్క్యూరీ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆఫ్నియం అంటే ఇదంతా 72 to 80. These are incomplete period. So lanthanide contraction observed in generally lanthanide contraction is belong to lanthanides. దాని యొక్క ఎఫెక్ట్ ఇట్ల మీద కూడా పడుతుంది అన్నమాట. అంటే lanthanide contraction is also observed in 4D and 5D transition series. Due to this effect, the crystal structure, other properties of lanthanides, the crystal structure and other properties of transition means very close similar. ఇది క్లోజ్గా ఉంటాయి. సిమిలర్ అంటే ఒకే రకంగా ఉంటాయి. అంటే లాంథనైడ్ కాంట్రాక్షన్ ఆల్సో అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఇన్ విచ్ సిరీస్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ 4D అండ్ 5D ట్రాన్సిషన్. ఏమో అర్థమవుతుంది ఎమోషన్. లాంథనైడ్ కాంట్రాక్షన్ అనేది మనకి లాంథనైడ్స్ వస్తుంది, దానికి ఎఫెక్ట్ దీనికి కూడా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. లాంథనైడ్ కాంట్రాక్షన్ ఆల్సో అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఇన్ 4D అండ్ 5D ట్రాన్సిషన్ సిరీస్. Due to lanthanide contraction, the crystal structure and other properties are very close similar. Very close similar. That is a lanthanide contraction. Write down lanthanide contraction. Lanthanide contraction. Lanthanide contraction. In lanthanides, from left to right, from left to right, atomic number increases, atomic number increases, the size decreases. It is known as lanthanide contraction. It is known as lanthanide contraction. It is due to high effective nuclear charge, high effective nuclear charge, poor shielding capacity of F electrons. Poor shielding capacity of F electrons. Okay, students, listen. Lanthanides are belong to 6th period. Lanthanide left to right atomic number increases, the size decreases. Generally, size decreases any period, but they are particular, very close, very less, because high effective nuclear charge. Charge పెరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది, తగ్గిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. Poor shielding capacity of F electrons. F electrons can participate shielding effect. Lanthanide contraction also observed in. Next one, write down. Lanthanide contraction also observed in 4D and 5D transition series. 4D and 5D transition series. 4D and 5D transition series. Transition series. Due to this effect, crystal structures, other properties are very close similar. Zirconium and hafnium, nobelium and tactalium, and molybdenum and wolfram having similar properties. A point of view. The transition elements: zirconium and hafnium, nobelium, tactalium, and molybdenum and wolfram. Similar structures due to lanthanide contraction అనేది F లో ఉంటుంది. దానికి ఎఫెక్ట్ ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది? 3D and 4D and 5D. Due to lanthanide contraction, these three pairs having similar structures, similar properties due to lanthanide contraction. Write down zirconium and hafnium, nobelium and Pa. Write down symbols. Molybdenum, wolfram. Similar properties. Due to lanthanide contraction. So remembering these three pairs. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ అటామిక్ రేడియస్ అన్న. మీకు ఐపీఎల్ అడిగారు అనుకోండి అటామిక్ రేడియస్ డెఫినేషన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ డిక్రీజ్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఓన్లీ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ. 80 advance. Ionic radius. Ionic radius, atomic radius, same definition, but just changes. In atomic radius, we are using atoms. Ionic radius means ions. Definition same, just last year. Atomic definition: the distance between center of the nucleus and outermost orbit of an atom is known as atomic radius. Students following? And ionic radius means the distance between center of the nucleus and outermost electron of ion in atom. Outermost electron of an ion is known as. So ionic radius is considered as ions. Ions are two types of cations and anions. A neutral atom loses one or more electrons, gives cations. A neutral atom gaining one or more electron to form anion. Among cation and anion, which one is large atomic size? Anion is greater than the cation. Among neutral atom and cation, which one is larger size? Neutral atom. Among anion and cation, neutral atom. Which one is first? Anion, neutral atom, last cation. తెలుసు కదా generally. Okay? So ionic radius definition. Ionic radius. Ionic radius. The distance between the center of the nucleus, and outermost electron of an ion is known as ionic radius. An atom, generally atom which state? Neutral state. Atom అంటే neutral ఉంటుంది. An atom loses one or more electrons, gives cations. Size of the cation, radius of cation. Radius of cation less than radius of atom, radius of an atom. Cation always less than that of neutral atom. For example, sodium atom, atomic size, sodium is greater than that of sodium ion. Okay, example. Next, an atom gains one or more electrons, gives an ion. Compared to neutral atom, anion size more, increases. Radius of anion greater than that of radius of neutral atom. So radius of neutral atom. For example, Cl minus. Okay na? Positive charge increases means ionic radius decreases. Positive charge increases means ionic radius decreases. For example, now I am taking some elements produces two or more positive charges. Iron is there. Iron తెలుసు కదా. Iron forms two types of ions, ferrous and ferric. Fe2 plus Fe3 plus. Important point. Among Fe2 plus Fe3 plus, which one is large atomic size? Fe2 plus. అంతే కదా. Suppose Fe2 plus is greater than to Fe3 plus, because number of electron loses means size also decreases. అలాగే ఇదే కేసు మీకు ఎక్కడ వస్తుందంటే Sn plus 2, Sn plus 4. స్టానస్ స్టానిక్ అంటారు. ఓకే, స్టానస్ అండ్ స్టానిక్. అలాగే లెడ్కి నేమ్ ఇవ్వలేదమ్మా. Pb2 plus Pb plus 4. సో దీస్ ఆర్ అయానిక్ రేడియస్ ఆర్డర్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ మోర్, సైజ్ డిక్రీజెస్. సో రైట్ ఆన్ పాయింట్. యాజ్ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, అయానిక్ రేడియస్ డిక్రీజెస్. యాజ్ పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ increases, as positive charge increases, the ionic radius decreases. The ionic radius decreases. Now examples: ferrous, ferric, stannous, stanic, like that. There one point. Among ferrous and ferric, which one is more stable? ఫెర్రస్ ఫెరిక్ ఏది స్టేబుల్ ఉంటుంది? ఫెరిక్ ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఫెరిక్ లెక్క ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పాను, అది Fe3 ప్లస్ Fe2 ప్లస్. ఎందుకంటే ఐరన్ ఉంది కదా. ఐరన్ యాక్చువల్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఆర్గాన్ 4s2 3d6 కదమ్మా. ఫెర్రస్ అనుకో Fe2 ప్లస్ మీన్స్ ఓకే 3d6 అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. సపోజ్ 1 2 3 4 5 6. అది ఫెరిక్ అనుకో Fe3 ప్లస్ 3 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ లూజింగ్, ఇయర్ 3d5 మీన్స్ మోర్ స్టేబుల్. సో ఎలిమెంట్స్ హ్యావింగ్ హాఫ్ ఫీల్డ్ ఆర్ కంప్లీట్ ఫీల్డ్ మోర్ స్టేబుల్. రీజన్ ఏంటంటే అటామిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ చెప్పాను, సిమెట్రికల్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ వల్ల ఏంటంటే మనకి అది ఓకేనమ్మా. మనకేం అవసరం లేదు, అప్పుడు అటామిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ చెప్పాను. ఓకే, నా ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ H plus and cesium ions, both are cations. Among H plus and cesium ions, H plus ions having smallest ionic radius, cesium ion having largest atomic radius. I am taking cations. Top to bottom ante kada. Okay. Next, another example. H minus, I minus, both are anions. Which one is more? I minus is larger atomic radius, ionic radius. H minus smaller ionic radius. Rendu minus le, but compare hydrogen iodine size more kada. Okay na? So these are right on. Among H plus ions and cesium ions. Cesium ions. Just అంటే మీరు తీసుకోండి. మీ చాయిస్, యువర్ చాయిస్. అంటే among H plus and cesium ions, smaller ionic radius is H plus ion, larger ionic radius is cesium ion. ఇది కదమ్మా cesium ion. Same among H minus and I minus, smaller ionic radius is H minus and larger ionic radius is I minus, iodide ion. Hydrogen always plus. Hydrogen always plus. Which case is hydrogen exhibit minus? చెప్పగలరా ఎవరైనా? Hydrogen maximum 99.9% H plus. But one case is hydrogen exhibit negative charge. You know? Anyone say? చాలా మంచి క్వశ్చన్.
Negativity value of hydrogen more than other elements.
Okay, hydrogen always, Abdullah, I am saying about that. Hydrogen always plus, but some cases, very good, NaH, that compound hydrides. In metal hydride, hydrogen exhibit negative charge. Write down what. In metal hydrides, hydrogen exhibit negative charge. In metal hydrides, in metal hydrides, in metal hydrides, hydrogen exhibit negative charge. Hydrogen exhibit negative charge. Example: lithium hydride, sodium hydride, LiAlH4 like that. These all hydride, hydrogen exhibit negative charge. So these are cation and anions. Isoelectron species. What do you mean by isoelectron? Equal number of electrons. In isoelectron species, positive charge increases, ionic radius decreases. Cations. Isoelectron species are cations. But isoelectron species of anions, charge of anion increases, size also increases. In isoelectron species, cation species, positive charge increases, size decreases. Ante positive charge increases means size decreases. In isoelectron species of ions, negative charge increases, size also increases. Okay, what do you mean by isoelectron species? Species having equal number of electrons. Okay, that's the point you know. Write down. In isoelectron species, within bracket positive charge cations. In isoelectron species, increasing in positive charge, ionic radius decreases. Ionic radius decreases. Example: Na plus, Mg2 plus, Al3 plus. Size, ionic size. Which one is more? Ionic size. First one, Na plus, Mg2 plus and Al3 plus. Na plus, Mg2 plus, Al3 plus. Isoelectron means same number of electrons. Here how many electrons? 10 electrons. 10 electrons. Here also 10 electrons. 10. Isoelectron species. In isoelectron species, next negative charge ion. Negative charge means increase the negative charge. Ionic radius also increases. Ionic radius also increases. Example: F minus, O2 minus, N3 minus, C4 minus, like that. Your size, ionic size, C4 minus, N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus. So these are the atomic radius, so ionic radius, like that these are. So these are objective type. IB point of view, atomic radius definition, increases, decreases, enough. These are information IIT mains and advanced type. So these are all those. Okay? These are ionic radius. Next, second periodic property, very important. SC question also, ionization energy. So just 10 minutes time is there. I will explain. After that, tomorrow remaining. Ionization potential. Ionization energy. Ionization energy before, in the period table, ionization energy means more stability. What do you mean by ionization energy? The amount of energy required to remove an electron from isolated gaseous atom. Remove the electron from isolated gaseous atom. Okay? Okay, nucleus. Next, studying keep ionization energy. In the essay question, separate 8 marks. Ionization energy. Ionization energy or ionization potential. Ionization potential. Simply ionization energy IE or IP. Okay. Once listen, look at the amount of energy required to remove an electron from outermost orbit of an atom in gas state, neutral gas state. Ionization energy. Ionization energy is exothermic, endothermic. The amount of energy required, మనకు అవసరం అవుతుంది. ఎనర్జీ మనకు కావాలి కాబట్టి ఎక్సోథెర్మిక్ ఎండోథెర్మిక్. ఎక్సోథెర్మిక్ ఇస్ రిలీజింగ్, ఎండోథెర్మిక్ ఇస్ అబ్జార్బింగ్. మనకు ఎనర్జీ కావాలి, అందులో ఎండోథెర్మిక్ రియాక్షన్. సింపుల్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ గ్యాస్ స్టేట్ ఎం. చాలా మంది ఐపీలు ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే ఇది ఎస్సీ వస్తుంది 8 మార్క్స్ ఉంది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ దగ్గర చాలా మంది ఇప్పుడు ఇలా రాస్తారు. దిస్ ఆర్ ఎం, దిస్ ఆర్ మెగ్నీషియం. ఎం న్యూట్రల్ గ్యాస్ స్టేట్. ఒక యాటం అనేది గ్యాస్ స్టేట్లో ఉండాలి. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలంటే సాలిడ్ స్టేట్ నుంచి ఈజీగా, లిక్విడ్ స్టేట్ నుంచి ఈజీ, గ్యాస్ స్టేట్ నుంచి ఈజీ. Gas state is easy because of space more. Okay, that means these are IE or IE1. Simply M, G, don't write, just listen. These are ionization energy. Energy required. Okay, these are first time. So energy removed means E. Okay, first ionization energy. Don't write, students. First listen. Second, M. The amount of energy required to remove another electron from unipositive ion, that is known as second ionization energy. Second ionization energy IE1. Among IE2, IE1, which one is greater than?
IE2.
IE2 is greater than IE1 because increase the nuclear attractions. ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ రిమూవ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి అట్రాక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇంకో ఎలక్ట్రాన్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తే అట్రాక్షన్స్ మోర్. సో ఆన్ రిమూవింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఫ్రమ్ యూనిపాజిటివ్ అయాన్ విల్ హ్యావ్ మోర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ న్యూక్లియర్ చార్జ్. ఎఫెక్టివ్ న్యూక్లియర్ చార్జ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఎఫెక్టివ్ న్యూక్లియర్ చార్జ్ is directly proportional to nuclear attraction. ఒక యాటమ్ ఉంది, ఒక ఎలక్ట్రాన్ లాస్ అయ్యింది, అట్రాక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. అనదర్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ లూజింగ్, మోర్ అట్రాక్షన్స్. ద అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్ రిమూవింగ్ ఎన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఫ్రమ్ యూనిపాజిటివ్ అయాన్ విల్ హ్యావ్ మోర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ న్యూక్లియర్ చార్జ్. మోర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ న్యూక్లియర్ చార్జ్ మీన్స్ న్యూక్లియర్ అట్రాక్షన్స్ మోర్. న్యూక్లియర్ అట్రాక్షన్ మోర్ మీన్స్ ionization energy. More ionization energy. Nuclear attraction more means ionization energy more. Okay, that means increase the nuclear attractions, ionization energy also more. That means these are first ionization energy, these are second ionization energy. After that I will give definitions. Anyway, ionization energy. In the period table, which elements having more ionization energy? First listen students, after that I will write definition on the board. In the period table, which group elements having more ionization? More ionization energy is nothing but stability. Inert gases. Inert gases. More stability means more ionization energy. ఎక్కువ స్టేబుల్గా ionization energy ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని తీయలేం కదా, కష్టం కదా అది. In the period table, noble gas having more ionization energy. Which group elements less ionization energy? First group elements. Very good. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఇందులో డెప్త్ వెళ్తే helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Among these 5, which one is more ionization energy? Helium. Size less means more ionization energy. తక్కువ సైజ్ ఉందనుకోండి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ తీయలేం. హీలియం అంటే మనం 4 క్వశ్చన్ కవర్ అవుతున్నాయి. టోటల్ పీరియడ్ టేబుల్ noble gas having more ionization energy, alkali metals less ionization energy. తీసేయండి. In noble gas more ionization energy. Among noble gas, which noble gas more? Helium. Xenon less. Top to bottom ionization energy reverse atomic size. Atomic size more means ionization energy less. అంతే కదా, సైజ్ పెరిగిపోయింది అనుకోండి ionization energy తక్కువ అయిపోతుంది. ఎందువల్ల సైజ్ మోర్ మీన్స్ ఈజీలీ రిమూవ్ ద ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. ఇప్పుడు లాంగ్గా ఉంది కూడా ఎలక్ట్రాన్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తాం. న్యూక్లియర్ అట్రాక్షన్స్ లెస్. Atomic size increases, ionization energy decreases. Okay, ionization energy can be expressed in units electron volts, kilocalories, kilojoules, like that. 1 electron volts equal to 23.06 kilocalories per mole or 96.45 kilojoules per mole. 1 electron volts equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. Generally, ionization energy can be expressed in electron volts, kilocalories, like that. 1 electron volts equal to 23.06 kilocalories per mole. How much? 1 electron volts equal to 96.45 kilojoules. మీకు తెలుసు calories convert to joules means multiplied with 4.2. Okay, 1 electron volts equal to how many joules? 1.602. Let 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. Okay, so these are first ionization energy and second ionization energy. Just write definition. ఇంకేమొద్దు. ionization energy definition. The amount of energy required. The amount of energy required to remove an electron from outermost orbit of an atom, the amount of energy required to remove an electron from outermost orbit of an atom in isolated neutral gaseous atom, neutral gaseous atom. M gas state, M gas plus electron, that is a ionization energy 1 or IP1. Electron ఉంది కదా. Sorry, M plus. It is an endothermic reaction. It is an endothermic process. Endothermic. It is an endothermic process. Ionization energy. Ionization energy can be expressed in, can be measured in kilocalories per mole, kilojoules per mole, electron volts per atom. 1 electron volt equal to 23.06 kilocalories per mole. That equal to 96.45 kilojoules per mole. 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. Next last, second ionization energy. Second ionization definition ఏంటి? The amount of energy required to remove an electron from unipositive ion. Unipositive ion అంటే ఓన్లీ 1 M plus. ఒక M plus నుంచి ఇంకోటి తీసిస్తే మనకి ఏంటి? Second ionization energy. Among M plus or 2 plus, which one is more? M2 plus more, because increase the nuclear attraction. So it have more effective nuclear charge on removing electron, more nuclear attraction. Next last, second ionization energy. Second ionization energy. Second ionization energy. IE2 or IP2. The amount of energy required. The amount of energy required to remove an electron from unipositive ion is known as second ionization energy. Second ionization energy. So Mg usage to M2 plus gas state electron, that is a second ionization energy. Short one రాస్తున్నాము. Second ionization is greater than to first ionization energy. Simple గా. On removing an electron from unipositive ion, will have more effective nuclear charge. will have more effective nuclear charge. More effective nuclear charge, hence more energy required. More energy required. అంతే కదమ్మా, ప్లస్ పెరిగిందనుకో ఎనర్జీ ఎక్కువ కావాలి, అందువల్ల మోర్. నేను సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పలేదు. IU2 is greater than IU1 due to on removing electron from UV positive ion will have more effective nuclear charge, hence more energy required. So second ionization energy greater than first ionization energy. Okay students, today enough for remaining class. Tomorrow I will explain ionization energy factors, very important. Thank you for